Security issues are locally based. And most of the problem, even in other parts of the country that we have problems, is locally based. If you take the statistics of any attacks, of any problem that we have in the locality, it is not at the state capital most of the time, it's at the rural area. And this brings to light the directive for Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief through legal processes and other procedure to ensure that the local government chairman get their allocation directly. Why Lagos is a point of reference and a point of emulation for other states. The template have been set by the President and Commander-in-Chief of Federal Republic of Nigeria while he was Executive Governor of Lagos State. And these steps have not been obliterated. It have been duly followed. And that is why you have a very secure environment in Lagos. The chairmen, some of them are here, very close to all security deployment in their localities. If that is done in other states, I think all those problems will become a thing of the past.
America, with a population of about 335 million people, have multiple structures of police. And that was one of the reasons that we are having Nigeria that want to jackpot now. They want to go to America, not because of the money they want to hand here. One, because of security, uninterrupted power supply in the country, and how well coordinated the country is. But when we have a very good security in our country, every other thing will follow. If we have a sound economy, very good infrastructure, the issue of insecurity will reduce. When we have an healthy rivalry within the zones on the issue of economic competitive, the issue of insecurity will come drastically.
Today marks a pivotal moment for our region. We gather at a time when security issues are on the rise across the nation. Hundreds of kidnappings and happenings each month, escalating conflicts between herders and farmers, and the alarming infiltrations of criminal groups into our forest and border areas. In the southwest, the threats we face changed. What were once isolated incidents have now become ongoing and more complex. Tensions between the farmers and the herders are disrupting food production and community harmony, reminding us that our region is not shielded from this national crisis. That's why our strategies need to be proactive, driven by intelligence, and deeply embedded in community involvement.